Good morning, students. Welcome back. Students, today we will revise algebra. Okay? So let's start. Now tell me, what do you understand by the term algebra? Or in algebra, you will observe what? This is which branch of mathematics? In other words, we can say that algebra is which branch of mathematics? Yes, students, to reply, raise your hands. Raiman, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Raiman.
Ma'am, algebra consists of three main parts. First is numbers, second is variables, and third is four operations: plus, minus, multiply, and division.
Very good. And operations. Okay. So in algebra, algebra is made up of three main parts: numbers, variables, operations. Okay. So operation means plus, minus, division or multiplication. Very good, Raiman. Next. Sana, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sana. Now tell me, Sana, in algebra, what do you understand by this term variable?
Ma'am, any alphabet of English,
Any letter
like A,
yes, very good. Any letter from
B.
the English alphabet. So this is A, B, X, Y, Z, C, any letter. Now, Sana, you know why these are variables. हम इनको variables बोलते क्यों हैं? Why these letters are termed as variables? What is the reason? You know?
Ma'am, no.
No issue. Saksham. Unmute yourself. Saksham.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Saksham, why these are variables? What is the meaning of variable?
Ma'am,
What is the meaning of vary?
actually,
Now tell me what is the meaning of vary? Vary means changing. Changing.
ma'am, yes.
Changing from one person to another person or to third person. Variable means vary means जो एक पोजीशन पे फिक्स नहीं रहता. अगर हम एक्टिवा ड्राइव करते हैं या कार ड्राइव करते हैं तो कभी हमारे एक्टिवा की स्पीड 30 होती है ना, कभी 40, कभी 50. तो ये वेरी कर रही है. वेरी मीन्स चेंजिंग. जैसे आजकल विंटर में देखो, ओके, वेरी करता है टेम्परेचर विंटर में ना, वेरी करता है. अगर तो आउटसाइड सनी वेदर है, ओके, तो नियर अबाउट 30-32 इतना डिग्री, इतना टेम्परेचर होता है. अगर सनी वेदर नहीं है, ओके, क्लाउडी है, तो टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप हो जाता है, नीचे आ जाता है 5, 6, 7 या 8 पे समथिंग. तो चेंज, ये जो चेंज होता है इसको बोलते हैं वेरी. वेरी मीन्स चेंज होना कंटिन्यूसली. ओके. सो वेरिएबल मीन्स जो फिक्स नहीं है. अगर ये मैं ए की बात करूं तो व्हाट इज दिस ए? ये मेरे लिए 1 है, हो सकता है रायमन इसको बोले भी मेरे लिए तो ये 2 है. और शांतनु, वन मोर स्टूडेंट इज हियर, एकांश. ओके, एकांश का नहीं, ए तो 5 है. तो पर्सन टू पर्सन ये चेंज हो रहा है ना. ओके. सो ए
Yes.
वेरी, वेरी मीन्स चेंज, जो चेंज होता रहता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई द नेम इज वेरिएबल. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे व्हाई this is termed as, why these letters are known as variables? Variable means vary. Vary means changing, जो चेंज होते हैं. So that's why the name is variable. Okay.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
hope Saksham the concept is clear to you. What is the meaning of variable?
Yes.
Yes, good. Now
Ma'am,
come to the numbers. In algebra, for numbers, we use one more name. You know, any student if know, then write them in the chat box. For numbers, in algebra, for numbers, we can use one more name. If you know, then write down the result in the chat box. Any student? Very good. Adnan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me second name used for numbers in algebra.
Constant.
Constants. Very good. Constant. Constants. Now you know why the name is constant. जैसे मैंने इसका बताया था वेरिएबल, वेरिएबल को वेरिएबल क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि वो चेंज होता रहता है. तो why the numbers are also called constants? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because they do not change values.
Very good.
They have fixed values.
Constant. Constant का मतलब होता है फिक्स हो जाना. ओके हमने तो जी एक्टिवा 40 की स्पीड पे ही चलाना है, ना 40 से कम पे चलाना है, ना 40 से ज्यादा पे चलाना है, एग्जैक्ट 40 पे. तो आपने ये फिक्स कर लिया 40. कांस्टेंट, कांस्टेंट का मतलब होता है फिक्स हो गया, जो कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 1, तो इन मैथ्स 1 इज ऑलवेज 1. ये मेरे लिए भी 1 है, अदनान के लिए भी 1 है. ओके हर एक स्टूडेंट के लिए 1 ने 1 ही रहना है, ये कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. सिमिलरली इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 100, तो 100 इज 100 फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन. 100 ने 100 ही रहना है. ये नहीं है भी मेरे लिए ये जो मैंने 100 लिखा है मेरे लिए 100 है और अदनान इसको बोलेगा नहीं जी ये तो 200 है. नो, ये मेरे लिए भी 100 है, आपके लिए भी 100 है, तो ये फिक्स है, ये कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. तो दैट्स व्हाई these numbers are also known as constant. Constant means जो फिक्स रहते हैं, कभी चेंज नहीं होते. ओके वेरी गुड. I hope the concept of variable and concept of constants clear to you students. Write down in the chat box if the concept is clear. Yes, then I will explain next. Waiting for your responses. Yes, good. Next we have expression equation. Okay, next we have expression in and equation. Kaushlinder, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaushlinder, in algebra, what do you understand by this expression?
Expression. Ma'am, for ma'am is equal to.
What is this?
Ma'am, expression.
Expression. An expression of algebra. Okay? Expression of algebra. Now, Kaushlinder, give me the explanation why this is from the algebra family. कैसे आपको पता लगा?
मैम बिकॉज अलजेब्रा में 3 चीजें होती है, 4 ऑपरेशन, वेरिएबल्स एंड वो अल्फाबेट वाले. मैम वो तीनों इसमें है.
Yes, or constant. Constant means fixed number. Okay, A is letter, it means variable. This addition means operation, and this one is fixed value, constant means number. So all the 3 conditions present here. So that's why this is expression from algebra. बेटा आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन पता होनी चाहिए भी ये क्यों हम ये a+1 अलजेब्रा की फैमिली से क्यों है. इन मैथ्स वी हैव सो मेनी फैमिलीज. मैथ्स में ज्योमेट्री की फैमिली है जिसमें आप ट्राइंगल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल करते हो. वो फैमिली कौन सी फैमिली है? ज्योमेट्री की फैमिली. ओके अगर मैं ये फैमिली की बात करूं So this is from algebra family. In maths, we have so many families. Why this is from algebra family? Because here we have all the conditions. Variable is present, operation is present, fixed number is present. Okay, good, well done. Good efforts. Next is Lavnoor, unmute yourself. Lavnoor, unmute yourself. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Lavnoor, in algebra, what do you understand by this equation? Yes. Tell me. इक्वेशन, दिस इज एक्सप्रेशन ना, ये तो एक्सप्रेशन है अलजबरा का. अलजबरा में अगर मैं इक्वेशन की बात करूं तो व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म इक्वेशन? यू नो?
Ma'am, no.
Didn't revise? Any other? Yes, Adnan.
Yes, ma'am.
Equation, Adnan.
Ma'am, equation is a thing in which we have variable operations and constants and everything that is in the algebra.
वो तो इसमें भी है एक्सप्रेशन में, वो तो एक्सप्रेशन में भी है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इक्वेशन. हेमंग अरोड़ा, वेरी गुड हेमंग, वेल डन बेटा. नाउ हेमंग रेज योर हैंड so that I can unmute you. Hemang, raise your hand. Yes, well done. Yes, Hemang.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Hemang, tell me equation. In equation we have
Ma'am, ma'am, a plus 1 is equal to 7. Ma'am,
Well done.
solved.
Yes, very good, very good. Is equal to sign. Equation. EQUA add 1L. EQA साथ में L लगाना, लगा दो. इक्वेशन में L लगा दो. Equal to sign. So whenever you will observe is equal to sign in algebra, this is algebra, because variable is present, operation is present, fixed number is present, along with one more condition is equal to sign. So whenever you will observe is equal to sign, it means equation. So this is the difference between expression and equation. This is expression, but अगर साथ में आपको is equal to का साइन दिख रहा है तो फिर ये एक्सप्रेशन नहीं है. This is equation. इक्वल के साइन ही बेटा ये देखो यहाँ से आ रहे हैं कंप्लीटली, यहाँ से EQUA सिर्फ आपने TION की प्लेस पे यहाँ पे L लगाना है. इक्वल टू साइन. वेरी गुड हेमंत. Okay, now come to the next. This is expression, equation, concept done. Now next, give the heading form expressions. Okay, so write down first of all yes, question is add 2 to A. Second part is subtract 1 from B. Third is double C. Next is half of F multiply 3 by m and add 4. Okay, and the heading is form expressions. Expressions means expressions of algebra. Yes, students, if you want to reply, raise your hands. Arpit Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Arpit, first
Ma'am,
question for
first
you.
card.
Add 2 to A.
Ma'am, A plus 2.
Very good. So A plus 2 or 2 plus A. Write anything. Both are same. In addition, we can
Okay, ma'am.
interchange position. Okay. So A plus 2 लिखो या 2 plus A लिखो. Both are the same thing. There will be no change. Well done, Arpit. Next is not for you, Arpit. Sia, unmute yourself. Yes. Are you hearing me, Sia? Sia, you are unmute. Yes. Subtract 1 from B. एकांश मेहता. एकांश. Yes.
Ma'am, B minus 1.
B minus 1. Very good. Subtract 1. Subtract 1 means minus 1 from B. किस में से? B में से. So you will write
Okay,
B
ma'am.
minus 1. So you will not interchange position in subtraction. अगर ऐसे लिखोगे तो ये गलत है. We can interchange position in addition but not in subtraction. In subtraction, if this is B minus 1, then this is B minus 1, not 1 minus B. So very much compulsory to note this point. We are not able to interchange place in subtraction. So one more time I am going to repeat. Subtract 1. Subtract 1 means minus 1. Minus 1 from B. किसमें से करना है आपने? 1 को minus B में से. So B minus 1. So very important. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anandita, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Anandita. Double C.
Ma'am, 2C.
2. Which operation?
Ma'am, 2 multiplied C.
Yes, 2 multiplied by C. We can also write this thing as 2C because multiplication operation hide itself. ये खुद को छुपा लेता है. ये सिर्फ किसकी प्रॉपर्टी है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन के ऑपरेशन की. So 2 multiplied by C will give you 2C. Okay, both are correct. Write anything. 2 multiply C लिखना है, 2 multiply C लिखो. 2C direct लिखना है. Both are correct. Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is Saksham Singh.
Ma'am,
Half of F.
ma'am, F over 2. F
Yes,
divided by
F
2.
divided by 2. F divided by 2. Half of F means F divided by 2, or you can also write this thing as F divided by 2. Write anything, both are correct. Good, well done. Yes. Mokshit. Mokshit, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Mokshit, multiply 3 by M and add 4. Multiply. किसको करना है multiply? 3 को m से. So tell me Mokshit, how can we write? Written here ना, multiply. किसको करना है multiply? 3 को m से. So 3m like this. This is clear to you? Okay, look here. Multiply 3. It means multiply. किसका multiply? 3 by m. So 3m this thing and add 4 plus 4. बेटा हमने अपनी तरफ से कुछ नहीं लिखना. Each and everything is given here, given in the question. Only you will apply operations. This is expression ना, ये expression लिखा हुआ है. Now this is in statement, sorry, this is expression in wording, and the question is to write this expression in mathematical term. So this is mathematical term. Multiply, किसका multiply? 3 का m से, 3 multiplied by m and add 4 plus 4. Now we can also write this thing as 3m means 3m plus 4. 3m plus 4. Write anything, both are correct. ये लिखो या ये लिखो, कुछ भी लिखो, दोनों सही है. Okay? Now next is, write down next. Solve. Next heading is solve equations. ओके, और पेपर में ये भी लिखा हो सकता है solve equation. Solve equation or only solve or find value. कुछ भी लिखा हो सकता है. ओके, अगर solve लिखा होगा उसका भी यही मीनिंग है, solve equation. अगर ये लिखा है find value, it means find the value of variable. कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो आपको अगर पेपर में solve लिख के आ जाए तो आपने ये नहीं बोलना क्या solve. Solve means solve the equation. Okay, now first question is a minus 1 is equal to 7. Now solve this. Hridepreet Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Hridepreet, tell me, how can we find the value of a variable from this?
Ma'am, a is equal to 7 plus 1.
Very good. Now to find the value of this variable a, we will shift this minus 1 from left hand side to the right hand side, and after shifting, this minus operation will change to addition operation. This is a very important property of algebra. In algebra, whenever we will shift terms from one side to another side, then the operation will change. Okay, so a is equal to 7 plus 1, a is equal to 8. Very good, Hridepreet.
8.
Now Hridepreet, tell me how you come to know that this is equation.
Ma'am, because there is a equal to sign in that question.
Very good. Because of this is equal to sign. This is equal to sign will represent this is equation from algebra. Very good. Well done. Now next is, second question is b plus 2 is equal to 12. Praveen Kaur, unmute. Oh, Praveen. Yes, Praveen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Praveen, tell me. B plus 2 is equal to 12.
B is equal to 12 minus 2.
Very good. So this is plus 2. So when you will shift this plus 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, addition operation will change to minus. So B is equal to 12 minus 2. So B is equal to 10. And students, one more thing. बेटा जिसको शिफ्ट कर रहे हो उसको एंड में जाके लिखना. ओके, ऐसे मत लिख देना 2 minus 12, ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. दिस इज रॉन्ग. जिसको भी शिफ्ट करोगे उसको हमेशा एंड में लिखना. ये देखो मैंने पहले 7 को लिखा, 7 के बाद 1 को लिखा. सिमिलरली पहले 12 को लिखो, 12 के बाद -2 को लिखो. ओके, गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज थर्ड. Third, 2k is equal to 14. 2k is equal to 14. Amanpreet Singh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Amanpreet, tell me 2k is equal to 14. Which
K is
operation?
K is equal to 14 divided by 2.
Yes. यहाँ पे कौन सा ऑपरेशन है इन दोनों के बीच में? जैसे यहाँ पे प्लस था, ये प्लस है ना, b plus 2 plus which operation here?
Multiplication.
Yes. 2k मैंने आपको बेटा पहले बोला है which operation hide itself? Multiplication operation. अगर यहाँ पे नंबर और वेरिएबल के इन बिटवीन आपको कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, it means multiplication operation. Okay, so 2 multiplied by k is 14. K is 14 divided by 2. So this is k is equal to 7. So write like this. 2k in between nothing means multiplication operation. Okay, because अगर प्लस होगा, प्लस is always visible to you, minus is always visible to you, division is always visible to you. If nothing means multiplication operation. Okay, so this is 2, this is k, in between कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं means multiplication operation. So to find this k, you will shift this 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, and after shifting, multiplication will change to division. So we will solve like this. Very good, Amanpreet. Now next is fourth is 30 divided by m is equal to 5. Yes, 30 divided by m is equal to 5. Yes, students, if you want to reply, raise your hand. Yes, Kaushalinder.
Ma'am, fourth sum now.
Yes.
Ma'am, first we will shift 30 divided by, मैम फिर हम 30 को 5 के पास शिफ्ट करेंगे.
5 के साथ शिफ्ट करेंगे. 30
मैम नो m.
m को. Now look here.
M.
30 divided by m is equal to 5. ये है 30 divided by m. Divided means like this ना, ये divide होता है like this. Now in this question we have 3 friends. 3 friends है ना हमारे पास. 30 है, m है, 5 है, तो हमें m की वैल्यू चाहिए. Now to find the value of this m, you will interchange the position. Interchange the position. So 30 divided by 5 is equal to m. Because number with number will give you variable. Number with number, here we have, look, here we have number with variable. Number किसके साथ है? Variable के साथ. Now to find the value of variable, you will combine number with number. So interchange position, interchange. So 30 divided by 5 is equal to m. So 6. Like this we will solve the sum. One more time I am going to repeat. 30 divided by m is equal to 5. 30 divided by m is equal to 5. Interchange. सीट चेंज कर दो. मैंने किसकी सीट चेंज की? m की और 5 की. m जाके 5 की सीट पे बैठ गया और 5 m की सीट पे आ गया. So like this m is equal to 6. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now come to the next. One more. 14 divided by L is equal to 2. This is the question. 14 divided by L is equal to 2. Any other? Swamil, unmute yourself.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
are you hearing me, Swamil?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, how can we solve this sum?
Ma'am, 14 by L liter
Yes.
equal to 2.
Next.
14 equal to 2 liter.
What is the next step?
Ma'am, interchange operation.
Yes, interchange. Interchange. किसको interchange करूं? 14 को करूं या 2 को L से करूं?
2 को L से.
Very good. Interchange. Okay. So 14 divided by 2 is equal to L 7. So like this we will solve the sum. And one more thing students, मैं हमेशा आपको बोलती हूँ, in maths don't write answer. आंसर मत लिखा करो. मैथ्स में आंसर नहीं होता, मैथ्स में सॉल्यूशन होते हैं. So whenever you will solve the sum, in the starting write SOL dot. Solve means solution. अब हम इसका solution करेंगे. Okay? So avoid writing answer and prefer to write solution word. SOL dot. Fine? Good. Very good, Somil. Now next question is, sixth question. Four minus L is equal to 3. 4 minus L is equal to 3. Now variable with negative sign. Look, यहाँ पे L minus 1 is equal to 4. अगर मैं ये लिखूं तो नंबर विद नेगेटिव साइन ना, ये नंबर है और नंबर का कौन सा साइन है, नेगेटिव. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव वेरिएबल विद नेगेटिव साइन. सो व्हेनेवर Lavnoor 30 divided by, okay, look here, 30 divided by W is 4. Interchange the position. 30 upon 4 is W. इसको डिवाइड कर दो, कैंसलेशन करो इसकी. कैंसलेशन किसके टेबल पे, 2 के टेबल पे. So this is 2, this is 15. 15 divided by 2. Now divide 15 with 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 fives are 10. So 7 decimal 5, like this. Same method है, but यहाँ पे कंप्लीट डिवीजन हो रही है, यहाँ पे कंप्लीट डिवीजन नहीं हो रही, तो आपको डिवाइड करके दिखाना है 7.5. मेथड सेम ही है. ओके Lavnoor, I hope this is clear to you. Write down in the chat box. Same method. There will be no difference. कोई difference नहीं है. यहाँ पे complete division है, हमने 7 लिख दिया. यहाँ पे complete division नहीं हो रही, तो आपका आंसर डेसिमल में आएगा 7 decimal 5. And you can also give your answer in mixed fraction. Okay? डेसिमल में जरूरी नहीं है, डेसिमल में ही आंसर आना चाहिए, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में लिख दो चाहे. ओके now now this question is very important. Whenever variable with negative sign, then we will solve the sum with double shifting. Okay, now first of all you will shift this L from left hand side to the right hand side here. So 4 is equal to 3 plus L. The reason is variable with negative sign. तो सबसे पहले आपने वेरिएबल को शिफ्ट करके क्या करना है, पॉजिटिव. ये देखो L है, L का कौन सा साइन है, माइनस. तो मैंने L की शिफ्टिंग की, L राइट हैंड साइड में जाके क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस. नाउ shift this 3. Now shift this 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to L. So 1. Like this. ये मैंने आपको बेटा जब अलजेब्रा की वर्कशीट करवाई थी तब भी बोला था, फिर बोल रही हूँ, लिख लो. Whenever variable with negative sign, then you will solve the sum by double shifting. ये देखो डबल शिफ्टिंग हो रही है. First of all shift variable, make it positive. Okay, हमने इसको क्या किया, नेगेटिव था, नेगेटिव को किस में चेंज कर दिया, प्लस में. आफ्टर दैट अगेन शिफ्ट दिस 3, फिर 3 4 के साथ क्या हो गया आगे, माइनस. सो दिस सम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो वन मोर सम लाइक दिस. Seventh, 3 minus m is equal to 1. Yes, 3 minus m is equal to 1. सक्षम, आप सिंगल टाइम शिफ्ट कर लो अगर आपको आता है. सिंगल शिफ्टिंग से भी ये होता है, पर मैं कभी सिंगल शिफ्टिंग से नहीं करवाती क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक कर देते हैं.